Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to deactivate your Shopify subscription. So if you're stepping away from your online store, switching to another e-commerce platform, or just taking a break, deactivating your Shopify subscription stops recurring monthly charges immediately. So firstly, we need to navigate to your plan settings to pause or permanently cancel your subscription. So firstly, we go to the Shopify admin panel. You should be here when you open up the Shopify website. And then down here in the bottom left, click on settings. And then second tab, click on plan on this left sidebar. And if you just want a temporary break, you can check the pause and build plan is available to hold your store data at reduced costs. And to cancel completely, guys, you can just find this red button, as you can see for me, because in my case, I'm on just free trial here. You can just cancel subscription with the same button. It will just have a different name. Instead of trial, it will say subscription and of course your plan details. And next to it, you just press either pause or just press cancel. And after that, your recurring subscription obviously is terminated and you will not be billed next time at the day of your billing period. And also guys, don't forget, if you have any outstanding invoices or unpaid bills, Shopify will require you to settle them before processing your subscription deactivation. Just keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. Just deactivate and you're good to go. Enjoy as always. Like the video as well, don't forget.